It's July 21st, and it's time to harvest the egg carton carrots. Excited to see how this turned out. So it's almost exactly 3 months since I transplanted the egg cartons into the containers in the backyard here. Now these are nonce coreless carrots. These are home saved seeds. So I'm not quite sure how they're gonna come out. I mean, they sprouted and everything, so they should do okay, but I can't remember what the nonce coreless carrots look like. So we're gonna find out together. But I also have Danvers 126 planted, along with the Imperator, which is supposed to be the real long carrots that you'd find in the grocery store. I can't remember what I planted where. Well, I think I got an idea. But the ones in the egg cartons are the nonce carrots. So let's go check it out. Well, I found my label, and all I wrote down was that it was carrots and they were home saved ones, and I know the home saved ones were the nonce. So I originally pre-germinated the seeds on April 6th, put them into the egg cartons on the 9th, and my video was posted on the 20th, so maybe on the 13th. That's what I did. So it's been over 90 days that they've been in the ground. So you'd think they'd be ready, but once again, you'd think wrong. So let's see what some of these look like. I see a carrot with maybe, looks like maybe another forked one, because it's got that, yep. He's got his legs crossed. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice carrot. This is actually one of the Imperators, I think. Because this actually wasn't in an egg carton. It's one of the Imperators. So not quite as long, possibly, but it looks like it reached to the bottom of the container because the soil really sank low in here. It had been filled about halfway to 3/4 up, and now it's just about 1/3 of the way filled. So that's probably what happened. The ground just, the soil settled and the taproot hit the bottom, so that went to the side, but I'm pretty sure that's an Imperator. Let's pull out some more of the egg carton ones. Okay. That actually wasn't in an egg carton. Are these in egg cartons? Oh no, these aren't even in egg cartons. Okay. Never mind. So these are still not ready yet. Maybe the Imperators though are. I'm gonna try and pull out some more of these bigger ones. Or it should be bigger ones. As I said, should be. Might be like too much nitrogen in this soil. Even though I didn't put any fertilizer or anything like that on them, you can see this fur. Oh, maybe that's just a root. Oh, okay. But still, they got a little bit of hairy roots on them. And that's usually a sign of too much nitrogen. And that's a small. These aren't bad carrots at all. Let's see, this one looks like a decent one. All right, so these are nice here, but I'm gonna go back over to the egg cartons and pull up the egg carton carrots, since that's what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna try from this end of the container. I was pulling them from the other side. Let me just see. This. Oh, that's a nice carrot there. This was in one of the egg cartons. So that's a nice carrot. Nice long. Maybe about 8 inches, 6 inches, thereabouts. Try and find, noticed this stem around here is usually a little bit thicker on the bigger carrots, so I'm going to look for a few of them.
And I'm still noticing the carrots are kind of small in the container here. So I don't think I actually want to harvest them just yet. Even though they might technically be supposed to be harvested, I'm not going to harvest too many more.
I'll try a few from this container. I have 3 containers here of carrots,
And I can see their tops are looking pretty good. So let's see what this one looks like. Well, that's a nice carrot. I'm thinking this is one of the Imperators. This is beginning to look like, I can't see the glare. So this, I think, is one of the Imperators. And it's a nice carrot. Looks like it was just starting to get to the bottom here. So I'm going to pull out a few more here. And I think I'm just going to grow Imperators from now on, because I like them. They look like real carrots. This one looks like a pretty hefty stalk. Yeah. So that's some nice carrots. This one probably had the biggest stalk of them all, and not quite the size of the others. And those don't. The others look like it can swell up still just a little bit more. Feeling in around to see the shoulders of the carrots, see how big they are. But those aren't a bad bunch of carrots at all.
So that's a nice bunch of carrots. And most of the nice ones, though, weren't in the egg cartons. I think it was a fun experiment. Maybe I'll try again next year, growing carrots in the egg cartons, but I'm not sure that it was actually worth it. I mean, if you got one small container that you're going to plant carrots in, it might be worthwhile doing it. And I should probably try it one more time just to see if it was a fluke or not, because the carrots here in the egg cartons, they're really not growing all that long. Now, maybe they need more water. I didn't water them enough. I made the soil a little extra sandy than what my typical growing medium is, only because I know the carrots like to be able to easily press down through the soil without any resistance. So maybe I just didn't water them enough, that being sandier than what I'm used to planting in, I didn't give it enough water, because I was actually just feeling the soil and it was pretty dry on top. So, and I just watered these 2 days ago. I mean, we've had some hot temperatures in that time, but the soil was still pretty dry for having just been heavily watered 2 days ago. So like I said, I'm gonna need to try it again next year when I have more egg cartons. Keep the moisture level up, maybe water them almost every day during the hotter weather. We did have a lot of hot temperatures this spring. Didn't really have a spring. We had some days that were spring-like, but mostly it was just grinding humidity, heat and humidity. So I'll blame myself for the small carrots not developing fully, including the ones in the egg carton. Again, even though the egg carton spaces out your carrots appropriately, I can do that with my templates that I've got. I don't know that the egg cartons actually brings anything to the table for me. And maybe if you're used to planting carrots in furrows and then having to go back and thin them out to about 2 to 3 inches apart. Switching to an egg carton, it might be better in that respect. For me, typically using that template, so I'm automatically spacing the carrots how they were. I don't know that it really did anything. I do like actually pre-sprouting the carrots. I never knew you could do that before, but I did it this time. And the Imperators that I planted, they gave me some decent sized carrots. I had pre-sprouted them and then planted the sprouted seed into the soil about every 2 inches or so apart. So I'm going to continue doing that from now on, pre-spreading the carrot seeds, and as soon as you start to see a taproot come out, plant the seed. But otherwise, an overall successful carrot harvest. And I still got more carrots in there. Let them grow on a little bit more. Like I said, it's been about 90 days. And I'm going to be planting more carrots in the garden beds, maybe just as an edging right along the edges of the garden beds. Plant other things in the middle, but allow the carrots to use as much of the garden space as I can. But if you want to see what we're doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here, and then subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you can follow along in the progress of all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Okay, thanks for watching.